Is your garage door making more noise than usual or moving unevenly? It might be due to worn rollers. Rollers are crucial for ensuring your garage door glides smoothly along its tracks, and when they wear out or get damaged, the operation of your door can become noisy or uneven, making it a hassle every time you use it. Don't let a jerky garage door disrupt your day. If you're in the Thirroul area and facing these issues, call 0409774111 today. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to repair your garage door and restore peace and functionality to your daily routine. Call now and ensure your garage door works smoothly and quietly.